Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about this sports camera. It's an action camera, and I use a lot of these. Actually, that's the camera I'm using now to record on. And this is a 4K camera. Now I'm telling you, if you're looking for a 4K camera, you cannot beat the price and the quality of the picture on these cameras. The audio has a little bit to be desired, but you can fix that with the audio recorder that I use. And also, everything in this video will be in the links down below in the description. There will be a link for all this stuff. Well, let's just open this up and see what comes with it. And the price was stupid, ridiculous, cheap. So take it out of the box. First thing you look at is you get this camera. It's already in the waterproof case that you can actually go underwater with this thing. It's phenomenal. But you can't do audio. You'd have to do the audio separate. But you get the camera that's in that, and we're going to take that out in just a minute. And you get lots and lots of adapters to put it on whatever, your bicycle or whatever. I'm going to tell you right now, this one right here, this little dude right here is the most important one you'll have. Do not lose this particular one right here. Out of all the stuff here, every time you order a camera, you're going to get more. But this little dude here is what connects to your tripod or your camera holder or your selfie stick or whatever that screws on here, so you can use this. And this comes off and it goes right there and it screws on to whatever. But then let's look at some other stuff here. So you get 3 attachments. This is most important. And then this is second most important. This little thing right here. Because this is what the camera goes in when it's not in the waterproof case. And this is what you have to put on here to put on all these other attachments to connect it to anything. Do not lose that piece right there. It's important. I can't stress enough how important that, because I've got 5 or 6 cameras and I've only got one of these. I don't know where they got off to. Here's another type of attachment. Here's some straps if you want to strap it to your bicycle helmet or your motorcycle helmet. If it's got holes in it, you can strap it with that. Here's one that you can glue to something and then connect the camera. Just slides right in there and clicks in there. Like if you want to put it on your dash or something for a dash camera. And here's a little USB cable. And if you don't want to take the batteries out and charge them, you need to use this to charge your camera and to download pictures from the camera or video from the camera to your computer so you can edit it. And here's some extra little pieces that you glue it down with or stick it down with. And then you have a nice little book here. And look right there, 4K. This is 4K. I mean, I looked at a lot of cameras that are very expensive, and you have to spend a couple $100 to get a 4K camera. Now, you want to know how much this one cost? This one, if you click the link down below, oh, that's got a little lock on it, so you gotta pull that lock over. My other ones don't have that, and pick that up, and then the camera will come out. You open that up. So now is your little camera. You gotta take it out. You gotta take this little tab off. And then it's got one on the back also. You got to take that off. And then if you have other cameras, the battery goes right here. Let's look at it. Let me get my little knife out. And voila. And then here's the battery. To get the battery out, you got to get that little tab down there and pull it out. Now I've got a lot of these batteries. I was kind of surprised it only came with one. I'm not sure, but I think my other cameras came with two. But that's okay. For the price of this, it's okay. So that's the little camera. Now, right here has a little SD slot, the micro SD card. And you can put, I think, up to 64 gigabyte card in here. Which I used to take mine out and put it in the computer and download the video and pictures, but now I just connect my USB cable from here to the computer and download them. Over here you have your up and down button. This button right here is the power on button, so if you push that button in and hold it, easy for me to say, maybe the battery's dead. That battery is completely dead. Well, that battery appears to be dead, so I'm going to take this off. Take the battery out that came with it. Put another battery in. And now we're going to hold this button and see if it comes on. I see a blue light. Yep, there you go. So the battery needs to be charged that came with it. And that's, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's pretty good. It's pretty good. And then to record, you just click this button right here on top, the OK button. You click to record. And it says no SD card installed. So I don't have an SD card in it. But anyway, that's all you do is push that to record. I may do a little bit better video on that later. But yeah, you just put the SD card in there and hit record and then go through all the settings. And to get to the other settings on the power button right here, it's also the mode button. You just click it again. You're going to change things up here at the top. And you can, so it has no videos. There's your tools. And then back to your camcorder or whatever. And then to turn it off, you hold that button in again. And it powers down just like that. So now I hope that helped you out a little bit, explain a little bit about the 4K cameras. But this camera right here, the links down below in the description for the camera and my little voice recorder that I'm using to record the sound on them for this video. And this camera right here is $20. I got it for $20. And I put the link down below that you can get them for $20 also, as long as supplies last. Other websites have the same camera and they're $60 a piece. So you best go get it while you can, while it's $20, because you're not going to have a better value for 20 bucks than this little camera right here. And this is not a paid advertisement. I use a lot of these cameras. I bought a lot of them, and $20, if when it breaks or whatever, you throw it away and you get another one out. So check it out. The link's below. This one's called Sports Camera. The one I'm talking on to you now, or video recording on to now, is the Dragon Touch, which is a 4K camera exactly like this. So you guys have a fantastic day. I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. You guys have a fantastic day.